This video was made to fulfill one of the final assignment for the English course semester 1 with the lectures Miss Mutiara Bilkis. This video contains a review of the teaching and learning process in class for one semester, which contains learning methods, learning materials, critiques and suggestions from students, and the understanding gained by each student.
How's it going? We're doing great. How are you? How about you guys?
Hi, I'm good too. Where have you been? We've been looking for you too. Kita and I just came from the canteen. We got some snacks.
Why didn't you invite us?
We didn't know. Where are you guys? Where were you?
We just finished was at CTS.
Alright, can join with us.
Okay.
Sure.
Oh, this is an individual assessment.
You all must have some interesting experience with learning English, right? From high school too.
I thought English class in Cholet will be as boring as the was in high school. Especially since I don't like my previous English teacher who always pointed out student to answer question.
Yeah, I didn't like English either because it was hard to memorize and the English teacher at my school had a loud voice and was kind of scary. But Mr. Mutiara is different from high school teacher. Even though she explained quickly, I understood.
I didn't like it much, either because my teacher in high school didn't explain things clearly.
I like English because the teacher is fun. She gives students change to voice their opinions, and the material is clear and different. As for me, I've always liked English. Back in my high school, my English teacher had a fun teaching style, and meeting Miss Mutiara Bilkis helped build my confidence in English.
Now let's review our English class experience over this semester.
What frustrating
Let's start with the first testing stuff.
experience. I feel really lucky to have such a kind teacher like Miss Mutiara Bilkis.
Do you remember when we were listening to audio on the sister app and some pronunciation were unclear, but Mr. Tiara explained what was said in the audio again?
I think when there's a student who wants to speak but is not fluent in English, Miss Tiara always encourages us not to really on Google Translate.
Miss Tiara always says it's okay to make mistakes. The important thing is to try.
I also thought at first that Miss Tiara was a lazy teacher because when we first had class, she didn't confirm with us if she couldn't make it. But it was wrong. It turned out that the message from Miss Tiara on Telegram was delayed, which is why we didn't get the info on time.
Sometimes I don't like it when Mr. Tiara suddenly cancels class.
Yeah, especially since my home is far from campus. I feel like it's a waste of time coming to campus.
But maybe Mr. Tiara has her reasons for canceling class unexpectedly. So far, I think she's one of the coolest lecturers.
How to tell it? Apa? Yeah, I totally agree. I really like Miss Mutiara teacher style. She doesn't just teach grammar of vocabulary, but she always finds fun ways to make the class lively.
Like when she encourages us to ask proper pronunciation so we can pronounce word correctly.
Yeah, I agree. Miss Mutiara never makes us feel tense or bored. There's always an activity to keep us interested. Even when the material is heavy, the atmosphere in the class is relaxed.
Exactly. Mr. Mutiara is energetic and expressive even if someone doesn't understand. She never gets angry or upset. She's so patient in explaining the material over and over until we get it. She's really a patient lecturer.
But I think Mr. Mutiara talks too fast, maybe for some people who are not very fluent in the English. It's hard to understand what she's saying.
Yeah, I agree, but I think she explained in both language. Miss Mutiara is also the king of teachers who accept criticism, and she already gave us a chance to let her know if she speaks too fast.
I agree, especially since the usage I agree, especially since he uses body language, which helps you understand what she's saying in English.
I really enjoy when Miss Mutiara teach us through games or group discussions. So we're not just sitting and listening to lecture. We're actively learning while chatting. That's what makes learning English less monotonous.
Yeah, and they often give real life explains, so the English material we're learning feels more connected to our everyday life. That's also what makes it easier for me to understand.
I also really like that Mr. Mutiara always gives us space to discuss. Even if we can answer questions of mistakes, she never judges us. She, she always give us the chance to learn from our mistakes.
What I experience most is that Mr. Mutiara always give motivation. She often says the important thing is to dare to try. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That makes me more confident to speak in English, even though I was really afraid at the first.
Yeah, those words are always in my mind. Miss Mutiara makes us not only learn English but also become more confident in using the language. That's really important, right?
Absolute. And Miss Mutiara really appreciates every effort we make. If we're active in class, she always gives prize and extra credit, which motivation us to study harder.
That's right. Mr. Mutiara also often shares effective English learning tips and tricks so we don't feel stuck.
I feel like we're not just learning English from Mr. Mutiara, but also learning how to be more open and positive people. Her teaching style really motivates you to keep learning.
I totally agree, Angie. Miss Mutiara is more than just a teacher. She's a mentor who not only imparts knowledge but also gives us motivation and inspiration. I hope more lecturers can follow her teaching style.
Yeah, I hope so. Miss Mutiara really deserves to be appreciated. So, guys, if you have a teacher like that, don't forget to thank them. They play a big role in our development.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Miss Mutiara, for everything you've taught us and for the inspiration you've I hope we all continue to learn and grow in English.
Agreed. Thank you, Mr. Mutiara. I hope we can all become better students thanks to your guidance.
So during this semester, Miss Tiara has provided us with a lot of learning and knowledge, which will be useful for all of us in the future. We apologize if the video productions was not optimal, and we also apologize if during the learning process this semester we made mistakes. Thank you, Miss Mutiara Bilkis. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Aku mah masih pemula. Ajarin dong, Puh, sepuh. Puh.
Why didn't you invite me?
Iki gak sih ya sing artikel deh iki.
Don't.
Don't.